Dating can sometimes be pretty hard. Once you like someone, you need to build up the courage to ask them out, and you cannot tell for sure what to expect. Going to the first date is usually exciting but scary to a degree. Why? First dates don't tell you anything about a person. They might sugarcoat, wear masks, and pretend to be someone they're not. But in some time, girls always give themselves away, uncovering hurtful truth. In order not to get caught and fall for a wrong person, avoid these types of girls. Number 1. Dependent woman. And we don't talk about dependency on substances. We are talking about codependency. She doesn't know how to live without you, waiting for you outside your working place, calling you every 5 minutes, texting you every 5 seconds. And God forbid you to tell her you're out with your friends in the pub. She will be devastated to hear that. She doesn't want to share you with your friends, family, co-workers, trying to attach you and leave you unseparated. At first, it might sound fun to be someone's deity, but soon you'll realize how tragic that is. Once you start dating a woman like this, you will pretty soon feel lifeless and tired. It is impossible to keep a healthy relationship when you cannot even go to a nearby store without reporting, apologizing, and asking for permission. Number 2. Drama queen. Scandals and drama are their second name. You may be wrong in anything, from giving her an attitude, using the wrong intonation, not laughing at her jokes, laughing at her, anything can be your fault. And any of your actions will have negative consequences. She will be upset, hysterical, silent, needy. And, quite paradoxically, the more you react to her tantrums and give her attention, the worse her next tantrum will be. You can notice this pretty quickly once you start dating, and that should be a big red alert for you to get out. However, sometimes this trait can manifest once you are deep into a relationship, but even so, try to move away from that toxic person. Number 3. Friend's ex. Imagine you liked this girl while she was going out with your friend. There was no fights or flirt, you were honest and loyal to your friend. But suddenly, they broke up. How to date a friend's ex and avoid drama? Should you consider dating someone's ex from your friend circle? It's a tough question, but you can find the answer here. But even if they don't feel anything for each other, there will be a lot of emotional baggage and drama, trust me. Number 4. Gold digger. Some traditional women want men to be providers in the family. But who are gold diggers? You'll know this woman from the start. A lot of her questions will be addressed to your bank account. She will have no interest in who you see, how you live your life, as long as you are ready to provide her financially. All your talks will get down to your well-being. And the last sign is constant complaints on how hard life is and how broke she is. She will never be too proud to take some more money. We've listed some women types in this video just for you to have in mind who you are dating. Of course, some women may have certain characteristics from this list in small scales, but it is up to you, then, to figure out is she worth dating. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment. Thank you.